Welcome to the first episode in our maintenance series. I'm Hamid and I'm excited to take you on a journey into one of the most critical, yet often overlooked, areas in industry, maintenance systems. In today's fast-paced industrial world, maintaining machines isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about predicting, planning, and preventing failure before it even happens. In this episode, we'll break down the different types of maintenance systems, how they evolved, what makes them different, and why choosing the right approach can save your factory time, money, and downtime. This is the foundation, and from here, we'll build up to more advanced strategies like predictive maintenance and world-class maintenance. Let's get started. In today's episode, we're diving into one of the most fundamental, yet most misunderstood topics in the industrial world, the different types of maintenance, how they evolved, and why this evolution was necessary. Understanding this topic can significantly enhance our ability to manage machines, minimize downtime, and reduce costs. So we will start by answering the question of what is maintenance. Maintenance is the process of keeping equipment, machines, and systems in working condition by performing regular inspections, repairs, and updates to avoid breakdowns and extend their lifespan. According to European Standard EN 15341 2007, maintenance performance is the effective use of resources to maintain or restore equipment to its functional state, measured by achieved or expected outcomes. What is the main goals of maintenance management is to ensure that all equipment and systems operate efficiently, reliably, and safely, with minimal downtime and at the lowest possible cost, in order to support continuous production and high product quality. Key objectives include maximizing equipment availability, optimizing maintenance costs, ensuring safety and compliance, improving asset lifecycle performance, enhancing workforce productivity, supporting production goals, and leveraging data for continuous improvement. What is the types of maintenance systems? Maintenance strategies are categorized into unplanned, planned, and world-class systems. Unplanned maintenance involves reactive repairs post-failure. Planned maintenance includes scheduled inspections and preventive actions. World-class maintenance integrates advanced technologies and continuous improvement for optimal performance and minimal downtime. Let's know more about timeline and evolution for maintenance systems. Before the 1950s, breakdown was the norm. Most industries relied purely on breakdown maintenance. Machines were simpler and labor was cheaper. Downtime wasn't considered a serious issue in many operations. 1950s, 1960s, start of preventive maintenance. As factories became more automated and production more critical during post-war industrial booms, breakdowns became costly. This led to the rise of preventive maintenance, scheduled inspections, and part replacements. 1970s, 1980s, predictive concepts emerge. Introduction of vibration analysis, oil analysis, and thermography. Predictive maintenance, PDM, started gaining traction in advanced industries. 1990s, 2000s, shift to reliability-centered maintenance, RCM. Focus moved to system reliability and optimizing maintenance based on criticality, cost, and function. Breakdown maintenance was now considered a last resort. 2010 as present, digitalization in industry 4.0. Breakdown maintenance still exists, but only for non-critical low-cost items. AI, IoT, and smart monitoring now enable real-time predictions and minimal unplanned downtime. Comparing the maintenance systems, unplanned maintenance is cost-effective initially, but carries a high risk of failure and low efficiency, requiring no advanced technology. In contrast, preventive maintenance involves medium startup costs with moderate risk and efficiency, needing minimal technology. Predictive maintenance, though costly to start, offers low failure risk and high efficiency, leveraging advanced technology for optimal performance. What is the unplanned maintenance? We can define unplanned maintenance as it's the maintenance activities that are not scheduled in advance and are performed only when equipment fails. Breakdown maintenance, BM, also known as run to failure maintenance, The equipment is operated until it fails. Repairs are only carried out after a breakdown. It is a reactive strategy, initially low in cost, but often leads to unexpected downtime, higher long-term repair and production costs, managerial requirements for breakdown maintenance. Basic toolkit must be ready at all times. Spare parts must be quickly available. Trained maintenance personnel should be present to act immediately. Planned maintenance. Planned maintenance includes strategies that aim to anticipate and prevent equipment failure. Types of planned maintenance. 1. Preventive maintenance, time-based or usage-based maintenance done at scheduled intervals. Tasks include inspections, lubrication, part replacement, etc. 2. Predictive maintenance, condition-based maintenance using sensors and data analytics. Maintenance is performed just in time before a failure occurs. 3. Proactive maintenance, world-class maintenance, focuses on identifying and eliminating root causes of failure, not just symptoms. Often it includes engineering solutions and design improvements. Aim of planned maintenance, to prevent equipment failures before they occur, reduce downtime, and extend asset life. Preventive maintenance, PM, definition. Preventive maintenance is a planned and scheduled maintenance activity performed regularly on equipment and systems to prevent unexpected failures, reduce downtime, and extend asset lifespan. It includes tasks such as inspections, lubrication, part replacements, and adjustments, all carried out before a failure occurs. Managerial aspects of preventive maintenance. 1. Maintenance activities are based on time-based maintenance, TBM. 2. Regularly scheduled inspections and interventions. 3. Proper toolkits prepared in advance. 4. Spare parts availability ensured before work begins. 5. Presence of well-trained maintenance personnel. 6. Planned downtime is coordinated for maintenance execution. Predictive maintenance, PDM, definition. Predictive maintenance is a proactive maintenance strategy that uses real-time data, condition monitoring, and advanced analytics to predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing maintenance to be performed just in time to avoid unplanned breakdowns. It relies on technologies such as vibration analysis, thermal imaging, oil analysis, IoT sensors, and machine learning. These tools detect early signs of wear or malfunction and help determine the optimal timing for intervention. The managerial aspects of predictive maintenance are 1. Condition-based maintenance, CBM. Maintenance actions are triggered based on the actual condition of equipment, not on fixed schedules. 2. Use of sensors and monitoring systems. Real-time data is collected through advanced tools and continuously analyzed. 3. Eliminates routine scheduling. No need for periodic inspections unless the data indicates a problem. 4. Spare parts availability. Critical spare parts are stocked strategically to ensure minimal downtime. 5. Skilled workforce personnel must be trained in data interpretation, diagnostic tools, and predictive technologies. 6. Coordinated maintenance downtime. Planned intervention is synchronized with production schedules to avoid disruption. 7. Just-in-time maintenance execution. Maintenance is performed only when indicators show that failure is imminent, optimizing resource usage. 8. Cost-efficient but tech-intensive. While PDM reduces long-term costs and downtime, it requires initial investment in monitoring infrastructure and skilled analysts. Comparison: preventive versus predictive maintenance. Preventive maintenance, PM, relies on fixed schedules using basic tools and regular inspections, which can lead to unnecessary downtime. Predictive maintenance, PDM, however, uses real-time data and advanced technologies like Internet of Things and artificial intelligence to optimize maintenance timing, reducing long-term costs and minimizing unexpected failures. PDM requires skilled analysts and is ideal for critical assets. In this episode, we introduce the main types of maintenance systems, unplanned and planned, and explain their key differences, but this is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll take a deeper look into one of the oldest and most widely used strategies, breakdown maintenance, also known as run to failure. We'll explore how it works when it's still useful and how it became the foundation for all other maintenance strategies that followed. So if you want to really understand where modern maintenance systems come from and how to apply them better, don't miss the next episode. See you soon.